Did you see this on the ground? The fact that NDA was winning this election, but the manner in which they've turned their foes into friends, and where within the Mahagathbandhan we've seen actually friends turning foes. Rahul Gandhi and Tejaswi, body language not quite in sync. Is that what has cost them this election as well, if exit polls are to be believed?
I think one thing I noticed this time, Navika, is that almost every election, you and I crisscross each other, whether in Bihar, UP, Karnataka, anywhere. But this election in Bihar, we didn't meet each other. But yes, you were there too, I was there too. And it's always interesting to see in this highly political state of Bihar which way people think. It was interesting because in huge numbers they came out in the first round. So one would think that, okay, second round mein thoda thanda padega. That didn't happen. Again, in the second round, there was this large numbers who have come out today to vote. Despite what happened yesterday in Delhi, it didn't cast a shadow. What you're asking me is about which way people are thinking. It's a milestone election. There's no doubt about it. It's like a referendum on Nitish's 2 decades of rule. There is no akrosh on the ground, which you yourself reported also. There's no anger against Nitish, which I also found a little surprising, is that you would presume that after 2 decades there'd be some kind of an anti-incumbency. There wasn't. To a large extent, there was, about 2 months back when I went out there, I found a little bit of a boredom that, and all those rumors that he's tired and he forgets things and all, they were very much up there. About 2 months ago when I was there. But again, when I went this time, last week, I found that what had happened is that the RJD had made these memes, they had made jokes on social media, and lots of Bihari youth watch social media. And they were talking about everywhere about, jokes on Nitish Kumar that did not go well with women, that did not go well with the older generation, because they said, हमारे घर में भी तो बुजुर्ग हैं, हमें नहीं अच्छा लगता जब ऐसे मजाक उड़ाते हैं. To a large extent, RJD lost a chunk of votes because of that. Two, I think, of course, everybody's spoken about this. The Mahila voters want Nitish back, and many of them say that, their first generation voters, mind you, पोशाक दिया, हमें साइकिल लेके दिया, अब हम नौकरी कर रहे हैं, we feel safer. Women saying that Sharab Bandi was in their favor. So there are many things which go in Nitish's favor. But the problem is that with the NDA is that, quietly they say is that the transfer of votes from the JDU to the BJP has not happened. At least it didn't happen in the first round, which is what made the BJP a little nervous. Off the record, they were saying about that. What did Tejasvi do wrong? There was one incident which he did. One, of course, I told you about the memes and all. The second thing was that going out on these motorcycles, which they did about a couple of weeks back, showing the lathis and all that, that got one section which remembers that muscle flexing of the RJD era. That crowd got a little nervous that these people are coming back. Two, Tej Pratap Yadav being separated from the family. Again, it's a very traditional society in Bihar. They don't like this idea that, the family has broken up. That has caused a little bit of a consternation in them. The X factor of PK, last point, X factor of PK. I don't believe that he's a nobody in this election. He is going to get a percentage of the votes. Whether it translates into seats or not is anybody's guess, but he is going to make a difference in this election, and he's a lambe race ka ghoda. If he doesn't win it this time, he will come back in the next election, but he will not sit in as a coalition member in case there is any need for him, is what he said. The Congress doing subpar, doing below par, which is not a great story anyway.
Absolutely, Smita. Let me also get in Pradeep.